2009, Missouri lost 878 individuals in traffic incidents. 32%, or 281 of those losses, were either impaired by alcohol or other substances, and 1,141 serious injuries resulted from similar types of terrible behavior. The Highway Safety Division is committed to reducing those losses throughout financial support for overtime enforcement, through equipment, and through breath alcohol testing vehicles like the ones you see behind me today. The alcohol testing vehicles provides faster evaluation and processing of drunk drivers. This BAT van will support the impaired driving efforts of the North St. Louis County law enforcement agencies. Highway Safety has helped purchase 23 such BAT vans throughout the state of Missouri. Law enforcement agencies will be mobilizing December 6th through the 12th in statewide sobriety checkpoints and selected enforcement practices to try to deter people from choosing this very irresponsible behavior.
The patrol will be responding in force this month with DWI checkpoints, DWI saturations, and work zone operations, all these to reduce traffic crashes and save lives. Lastly, we need to remember that behind all these numbers there are faces and loved ones that have been taken from our families due to the selfish act of drinking and driving.
We've already had the opportunity to bring this alcohol testing vehicle out to a sobriety checkpoint a few weeks ago, and it helps us out considerably. It has everything compacted into one unit.
October 14th of 1994, he was killed in a drunk driving crash. And this is my son. And there is a void in my life and hundreds of other lives. I know the joy of this season, but I also know the pain. I know the void that is created with a loved one gone. And I also know the guilt and the shame, because I'm the drunk driver that killed my son and injured 2 children for life. Please, the first person I see every morning in the mirror is the man that killed my son. He died because I chose to drink and drive. It can happen to you. It's never intended. It's never wanted. But the simple fact that if you get mentally altered in any way and you get behind the wheel of a car, you are putting people's lives at risk.
When I was 10 years old, my brother David was killed by a drunk driver. And here it is 27 years later, and I miss him now more than I did then. And especially during the holidays. You always wonder, what would life be like if he were here? Would he have little kids? Would we be able to buy presents for them too? And would we be able to just share the love with that family that we'll never know? I designed the sign that's here in front to be placed near or close to the crash sites of all over Missouri highways where victims have been killed by a drunk driver.